Namaste, myself Jivin Shivi Saxena, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, and my discipline is Medical Laboratory Technology from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So, welcome in digital version 2.0. So, today my topic is morphology and principle of cultivating bacteria. So, let's start my topic. Firstly, cultivation of bacteria. Cultivation or culturing of bacteria. So, firstly, introduction. A microbial culture is a method of multiplying microorganisms by letting them reproduce in predetermined culture media under controlled laboratory conditions. And microbial cultures are used to determine the type of organism, its evidence in the sample being tested, or both. Purpose of culturing. So first, isolation of bacteria. Properties of bacteria. Example: culturing bacteria is the initial step in studying its morphology and its identifications. Third, maintenance of stock culture. Fourth, estimate viable counts. Next, two, test for antibiotic sensitivity. And next, to create antigen for laboratory use. And certain genetic studies and manipulations of the cells also need that bacteria to be cultured in vitro. And culturing on solid media is another convenient way of separating bacteria in mixture. Culture media. What is culture media? So, an artificial culture media must provide similar environmental and nutritional conditions that exist in the natural habit of a bacterium. A culture medium contain water, a source of carbon and energy, source of nitrogen, trace elements, or and some growth factors. The pH of the medium must be set accordingly. So use enrich the number of the bacteria and so select for certain bacteria are suppress other and differentiate among different kind of bacteria. So pure culture. In the laboratory, bacteria are isolated and grow in pure culture in order to study the functions of a particular species. A pure culture is a population of cells or growing in the absence of other species or types. A pure culture may originate from a single cell or single organism, in which case the cells are genetic colon of one another. Pure culture are obtained by using variety of special techniques. All glassware, media, and instruments must be sterilized. Example as aseptic technique are used for obtaining pure culture. Basic requirement for obtaining a pure culture are solid medium, a media container that can be maintained in an aseptic conditions, and a method to separate individual cells. A single bacterium supplied with right nutrient will multiply on the solid medium in a limited area to form a colony, which is a mass of cells all descended from the original one. And second, agar. Agar, a polysaccharide extracted from marine algae, is used to solidify a specific nutrient solution. Unlike other gelling agent, it is not easily degraded by many bacteria. It is not easily destroyed at higher temperature, and therefore it can be sterilized by heating, the process which also liquefies it. And once solidified, agar medium will remain solid until The culture media is contained is a petty disc, a two-part glass or plastic convert no, sorry covered container. Classification of culture media. So, classification of culture media. First, bacterial culture media can be classified in at least three ways. First, consistency. Second, nutritional component. Third, functional use. Okay. So, and second, classification based on consistency. So, first, liquid media, solid media, semi-solid media. Classification based on consistency. So, firstly, describe the liquid media. So, these are available for use in test tube, bottle, or flask. Liquid media are sometimes referred as broth. Example, nutrient broth. In liquid medium, bacteria grow uniformly, producing generate turbidity. No agar is added, mostly used for inoculum preparations. And second, solid media. An agar plate is a petri dish that contain a growth medium, typically agar plus nutrient, used to culture microorganisms, and 2% of agar is added. Agar is the most commonly used solidifying agents, and colony morphology, pigmentation, hemolysis can be appreciated. Example include nutrient agar and blood agar. Third, semi-solid media. So such media are fairly soft and are useful in demonstrating bacterial motility and separating motile from non-motile stain. Example of semi-solid media. Example, huge and Lipson's oxidation fermentations. 0.5% agar is added. So some images are showing. Uh, this is solid medium, okay, in petri disk, and second, liquid medium and test tube are liquid form, and semi-solid medium in this. Okay, this. So next, classification based on nutritional components. So first, simple media, second, complex media, and third, synthetic or chemical defined media. So describe the classification based on nutritional components. So first, simple media. Simple media such as peptone water, nutrient agar can support most non-fastidious bacteria. It is also called as basal media. Example, nutrient broth, nutrient agar. So nutrient broth consists of peptone, yeast, extract, and NaCl. When 2% of agar is added to nutrient broth, is formed nutrient agar. Okay. And second, complex media. So media are other than basal media are called complex media. They have special ingredients in them for the growth of microorganisms. These special ingredients like yeast extract or casein hydrolysate, and which consist of a mixture of many chemical in an unknown proportions. Okay. Third, synthetic media or chemical defined media. So, specially prepared media for research purpose, where the composition of every component is well known. It is prepared from pure chemical substance. Example: peptone water, and 1% peptone plus 0.5% NaCl in water. Okay. Third, classification based on functional use or applications. So first, English media. Second, selective media. Third, differential media. Fourth, transport media. Fifth, indicator media. And sixth, anaerobic media. So, explain the classification based on functional use or application. So, first is enriched media. Addition of extra nutrient in the form blood, serum, egg yolk, etc. The basal medium makes them enriched media. Okay, so media used to isolate pathogens from a mixed culture and stimulate growth of desired bacterium and inhibit growth of unwanted bacterium. Media is incorporated with inhibitory substance of suppress the unwanted organism, thus increase in numbers of desired bacteria. An example of English media, so first chocolate agar and blood agar and selenite F broth for the isolation of Salmonella and Shigella, and tetrathionate broth inhabit coliforms, and alkaline pepper water for Vibrio cholera. Okay. And chocolate agar is a non-selective English growth medium used for growing fastidious bacteria such as Haemophilus influenzae. And blood agar. So blood agar plates contain mammalian blood, usually sheep or horse, typically at the concentration of 5 to 10%. And blood agar plates are enriched differential media used to isolate fastidious organisms and detect hemolytic activity. A three-type hemolytic activity: first, alpha hemolytic; second, beta hemolysis; and third, gamma hemolysis. Okay. Second, selective media. The inhibitory substance is added to a solid media, thus causing an increase in number of colonies of desired bacterium. And selective media and enrichment media are designed to inhibit unwanted commensal or contaminating bacteria and help to recover pathogen from a mixture of bacteria. Any agar media can be made selective by addition of certain inhibitory agent that don't affect the pathogens. To make a medium selective include addition of antibiotics, dye, chemicals, alteration of pH, or a combination of these. Examples of selective media. Thier-Martin medium selective for Neisseria gonorrhoeae. EMB agar is selective for gram-negative bacteria. The dye methylene blue in the medium inhibits the growth of gram-positive bacteria. Small amount of this dye effectively inhibit the growth of most gram-positive bacteria. And Campylobacter agar um, is used for the selective isolation of Campylobacter jejuni. And third, differential media. Certain media are designed in such a way that different bacteria can be recognized on the basis of their colony color. Various approaches include incorporation of dry dyes, metabolic substrates, etc., so that those bacteria that utilize them appears as differentially colored colonies. Substance incorporated in it enable it to discuss between bacteria. So example of differential bacteria, media. So McConkey's agar, plate agar, XLD agar, XLD full form, xylose lysine, deoxycolate agar. XLD is used as a selective and differential medium for the recovery of Salmonella and Shigella species. And cysteine, lactose electrolyte differentiate agar, that means clade agar, is a non-selective solid medium for cultivation of pathogens from urine specimen. Lack of salts, that means electrolytes, inhabit swelling of proteus. species. And McConkey's agar culture medium designed to grow gram-negative bacteria and differentiate them for lactose fermentation. It contains bile salt to inhabit most gram-positive bacteria and Cristobalidide, which also inhabit certain gram-positive bacteria. Lactose fermented pink colonies and non-lactose fermented colorless colonies. Okay. And fourth, transport medium. Clinical specimen must be transported to the laboratory immediately after collection to prevent of overgrowth of contaminating organism or commensal. A delicate organism may not survive the time taken for transporting the specimen without a transport media. This can be achieved by using transport medium. So transport media should fulfill the following criteria. First, temporary storage of specimen being transported to the laboratory for cultivation, and second, maintaining the validity, um, viability of all organisms in the specimen without altering their concentration, and third, contain only buffers and salts, and fourth, lack of carbon, nitrogen, and organic growth factor so as to prevent microbial multiplication. And next, transport media used in the isolation of anaerobes must be free of molecular oxygen. Example of transport media: Caribbean medium for uh, Campylobacter species, and alkaline Peptone water medium for Vibrio called the Stewart medium, non-nutrient soft agar gel containing a reducing agent and charcoal used for gonococcai, and buffered Lysol saline for enteric bacilli. And fifth, in indicator media, contain an indicator which change its color when a bacterium grow in them. And say, example, Wilson ware medium is used for Salmonella typhiform black colonies, and McLeod's medium potassium tellurate, so diphtheria bacilli, and Urey's media. And six, anaerobic media. Anaerobic bacteria need special media for growth because they need low oxygen content, reduce oxidation, reduction potential, and extra nutrient. Media for anaerobes may have to be supplemented with nutrient like hemin and vitamin K. Boiling the medium several to expel any dissolved oxygen. Example of anaerobic media: thioglycolate medium. Next, culture method. So culture method. Five type of culture method. First, stick method. Second, lawn method. Third, stalk method. Fourth, stem culture. And next, pro plate method. First, stick culture, used for the isolation of bacteria in pure culture from clinical specimen. First, platinum wire is used. One loop full of the specimen is transferred onto the surface of a well-dried plate and spread over a small area at the periphery, and the inoculum is then distributed thinly over the plate by sticking it with a loop in a series of parallel lines in different segments of the plate. On inoculation, separated colonies are obtained over the last series of sticks. Um, I share the structure. This the firstly apply flame loop, okay, and heavy growth, and apply flame loop, so light growth, and fill next and next and next, okay. Second, lawn culture. provides a uniform surface growth of the bacterium. Lawn culture are prepared by fluiding the surface of the plate with a liquid suspension of the bacterium. And so use for bacteriophage typing and antibiotic sensitivity testing and the preparation of bacterial antigens and vaccines. Okay. Third, stalk culture. Stalk culture is made in tube containing agar, slope, or slants. So use provides a pure growth of bacterium for slide agglutination and other diagnostic tests. Step culture prepared by puncturing a suitable medium, gelatin or glucose agar with a long state charge wire, and use demonstration of gelatin liquefaction, oxygen requirements of the bacterium under study, and maintenance of stock culture. Plate culture. 1 ml of the inoculum is added to the molten agar and mix well and pour to a sterile petri dish and allow it to set. So the path of the medium and uses of pure plate culture so gives a estimate of the viable bacterial count in a suspension and for the quantitative urine cultures. So this session is completed and any query in mention comments box. So thank you so much. Namaste.